Well, a truly neutral sort of arbiter situation would not even be, it wouldn't be inclined to believe that the police force was already like lawful. It would look at the incident as just two persons. Like the persons are still equal. So I don't know why the police have some kind of pre-granted authority to do things that this side would never be granted to do, right? So that's oppression, that's totalitarianism, that's cronyism, okay? So for the arbiter to ever really be like a sense of like true neutrality, it can't already have some kind of recognition that this side is allowed to attack you if they have like, if they tell you like a good enough reason, like, hey, we deduced that she wasn't following this suited man's orders, so we decided to arrest her. And the person deciding the fate of this person that they arrested already thinks that they're never going to do anything wrong, so this person will probably always lose. So then there's the maxim that you can't be a judge in your own cause. And I'm feeling like then God's the only judge. Like, or some kind of, then God's the only judge then. I mean, it's like it could only be like either a completely neutral God or it can only be like my God. Because you can't tell me that like a God that favors anything other than me could ever judge me. Right, but then it's not fair to have a God that favors you to judge you, Brittany. You can't have a God that favors you to judge you either, Brittany. Well, it has to be truly neutral then. But for whatever reason, you go to a court as like in criminal indictment and you're up against somebody, like only police evidence against you in a police arrest, trying to like, I mean, in a perfect world, they'd still have to be, proving the validity and the necessity of that arrest. But in reality, all you are is up against your kidnapper, who already has permission to kidnap you. Like, are we ever questioning the kidnap? No, because it's called arrest, and like it's presumed that they're gonna have probable cause. But then it's like, why don't I have permission to just sit in the car? It's like, we're all supposed to be equal. So where's the neutral arbiter then? Oh, well, that's just God.